Good afternoon, I'm Ollie from Morgan Marine, and today we've just been out on this Merry Fisher 1095, which we're preparing for handover for our client this coming Friday. We've just taken over to Bradwell Marina to fill it up, and we've undertaken our PDI procedure, which is a really important part prior to the handover of your new boat. The reason PDI is so important is we test all the systems on the boat, we calibrate all the systems such as your autopilot, joystick if it has one, and we go through all leak testing for underwater inlets, engine bolts. We test all the windows for leak. We hose test all the hatches, portholes as well. So we undertake all those things, record all the engine data, maximum RPM, check the propping is all correct, and iron out any small snags there may be prior to delivery. As we come forward, you've already seen the front deck here. This main section here does have a sun pad area. So it's got two lifting backrests and sun pad area that you can have out all the time. There is also a cover if required, so you can leave the cushions out throughout the year. Nice wide side decks as we come towards the stern of the boat, with a big side access door and midships cleat, which makes it easy when you're berthing single-handedly. You can hang straight out the door and you've got your cleat right next to you. We've got a side access door, and you can see at the moment we've got our canopy enclosure on as well. Brilliant for the UK, often need it. Weather's not always the best this time of year, we're early March now, and it means you can keep everyone warm and dry. Easy to remove when you need to. We've got the rear closure kit on this boat and the sun cap as well. Really important option for the UK, where it's not often the warmest. The panels are all removable, zip on, zip off. There's 3 individual panels. They can also be rolled up, and you can clip them up for quick access to go up and down as well. We'll step aboard in a second. You'll see on here we've got twin Yamaha F300s. They propel the boat to around 40 knots top speed, and we've had some nice options fitted on this boat as well for the client. This has got the new Flexi teak on here, which really gives you a nice bit of styling. It's very easy to look after, very easy to clean, and is maintenance free, unlike teak. So we'll step on board. Rear cockpit, nice big rear cockpit in here. Bench slides forwards when we need it, and that's just for when you need to trim your engines up so you can leave your engines out of the water. So many benefits with an outboard engine compared to a traditional stern drive. Longer warranty, 5 years with Yamaha, lesser maintenance cost, less through hull fittings and skin fittings to deal with, and nowadays really good fuel economy and excellent performance. And it's also one of the biggest things, it's much quieter in the cabin when you're underway than traditional inboards. We've got good storage under these seats, this all lifts up, and we've got good access to the fenders. And a massive rear leatherette that's brilliant for storage. A lot of people roll tenders up and put little outboards in here as well. There is also a rear table that comes out here. At the moment, the table's all wrapped up and in the second cabin. But there's a nice table. The reason there's 2 positions in the floor for the table is so you can have it in the rearward position when the seat's back, but still use it when the seat's forwards and the engine's up. As we come inside, we can see we've got really nice lighting in here. Sun's coming through, the windows are nice and low, nice big sunroofs, some nice LED surround lighting as well. It's really bright, nice place to be. We've got a nice big saloon table here, comfortably get 4 people around here. This drops down and the seat is then also reversible to give you a really nice co-pilot seating position for 2 people with a nice grab rail and a raised up position. The table drops down, can turn this into another double berth as well, and we've got the nice carpet sets throughout here as well. Part of our process here when we're PDIing a new boat, running through specs with our client, we ask about any customization that our customer would like. So for this customer, he actually wanted an integrated oven instead of just a microwave. So this is one of the things we've done. We've made a nice cutout for it, flush mounted it, and it's a nice Panasonic oven there. On top of that, we've still got the standard gas grills. We've got the sink. Then you've got nice storage under here. You've got a bin in this one. We've got 2 large fridges on this boat. Coming towards the helm, so as we were saying, this was equipped with twin Yamaha F300s, steer-by-wire models. That makes the integration for the joystick really easy now. So we've got the joystick on here, which makes the boat really, really easy to manoeuvre. The new style Yamaha control box with single lever control, combining both engines onto one lever, and we can start and stop the engines from the control box now as well, with other nice features such as the integrated autopilot and cruise control. Now we'll head downstairs. You can see you've got a nice big walkway coming through here. We've got a nice large front cabin, so we've got a nice island bed, good access all around, good storage over to either side with the aircraft style lockers around the top as well. We've got nice light through the twin roof lights we've got, and then also the deep side windows we've got running around both sides. The bed also lifts up and presents you a big amount of storage underneath. We've got nice big heads on this Merry Fisher 1095. We've got a freshwater toilet, which is electric flush to stop those horrible seawater smells most boats have. We've got the sink, and then behind that we have got the shower. We've got a large second cabin, which is a really big double berth at the moment, full of cushions, which still need to be unwrapped. Good amount of storage and nice light in there as well. Then coming back down, we've got the third cabin. So the third cabin houses the second fridge we spoke about, which you can see in there, which is also got storage underneath it. Again, another good size double underneath. For us now, we've been out, we've done the sea test, we've filled the tanks, we've been through and snagged all the items, done all the leak testing, checked all the extras and calibrated everything. So for us now, we're just going to do this final clean, final bit of detailing, a few small snags we've got to sort out, and then on Friday we'll be taking this by sea with the customer for his handover procedure, where we'll spend the day together and deliver it to Ramsgate Marina.